Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us today. I'm joined with my colleague from Microsoft, Vamshi.
Hi, folks. Good to be back here talking to the folks on NetBackup and all things Veritas.
So here we go again, Vamshi. I think this is the third time in what seems to be a continuing series. So thanks for joining us again here at Conquer Every Cloud 2022 to talk to us about our partnership and the innovations we've made together in NetBackup. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, happy to be back. And Veritas and Microsoft have been great partners for many years. And we signed a partnership just this past November. It's great to see that because as engineers, we love getting together and building cool stuff for our customers.
We're very excited about it too. And in fact, the innovation that we've built in 10 and will continue forward would be very difficult to achieve without our extended agreement and partnership, especially when it comes to what Doug and Anthony have already talked about, which is the introduction of our cloud optimized cloud native architecture called NetBackup Cloud Scale.
Yeah, would love to know more details. Like I think we've done some very cool work. You want to share a little bit more about what's new and what's so cool about Release 10?
Yeah, definitely. So, when you and I normally talk, we're usually talking about all the cool features and functions that admins can use. But I think we need to spend some time on the platform because that's really what NetBackup Cloud Scale architecture is. It's the transformation of NetBackup to offer, amongst its other architectures, cloud native type of architecture. And we started with this in Azure. And so in this release, one of the key foundational pieces we've done is taken our NetBackup kind of core and core brain called Primary and made this available to run natively on AKS. And this is critical to us in a set of steps to come, which is to take those services in Primary and make them elastic, auto-scaling, cloud-native consumable. And then the second piece is also an important part of our underlying platform, which is our dedupe engine, which is so important to how our customers optimize and place their backup data on storage. And so that's been around and very key to NetBackup architecture for a long time. But in this release, we've taken a step in turning it into a services-based kind of model by significantly reducing its compute footprint, which sets us up for the future to turn that into a service. And then there's something we've done, we announced independently, but we worked really hard with yourself and Microsoft and making this come into being, which is Recovery Vault. So it's our turnkey data protection storage as a service. We believe that this is a foundational underpinning inside of NetBackup Cloud Scale as we expand there, but it is also available today as an independent service that works with NetBackup. So customers can start with that today.
Yeah, no, it's awesome to see these platform pieces and as we've worked together and see these come to fruition. It's awesome that Veritas is making those foundational engineering investments in being ready for the cloud and ready for cloud scale as customers move their workloads to the cloud and make their workloads scale up and scale out. Veritas is going to be right there with them with serving their data protection needs.
Thanks so much, Vamshi. We're really excited about the platform pieces, but we would be remiss if we did not talk about the actual data protection features and functionalities that we worked on with you in this release too. Maybe you can tell our customers listening what we've done there.
Yeah, absolutely. And as a cloud person, I'm going to focus on on three cloud features that I'm really excited about. First. There's the work around ransomware resiliency and adoption of immutable storage on the blob storage platform by NetBackup. We released this feature on version level immutable storage very recently, and NetBackup quickly adopted it, and it's in release 10 now, which is great because that means you can have fine-grained control of immutable backups and really have no worries about your backup data being changed or encrypted by ransomware. That's been great to see. And then the improvements to the AKS native, the Azure Kubernetes Service Backup that you folks introduced in 9.1 with the data mover, the data management, that's great as well because containerization of applications and moving those applications into a containerized environment is definitely where a lot of our customers are going. And lastly, the the work that you folks have done on getting the SQL PaaS services and the SQL managed instances, the protection status and all of that visible in NetBackup in a single pane of glass. It's going to be very helpful for our shared customers. And this is just the beginning. We have so much work planned together to get, light up cloud native workloads and protection and NetBackup and really kind of help our customers out together.
Thanks, Vamshi. We also know how important security and being able to protect enterprise class modern cloud native workloads is. And with that, I just want to say thank you for the partnership and this continuing innovation and the next stage of this journey we're going to go on together.
Yeah, likewise, Lisa. Thank you. And thanks to all the folks listening in.
Thanks, everyone.